guys, my name is Kylo. His name is Papa. Today we're making strawberry muffins. So let's get cooking.
Okay, guys, we're back.
And it's also a hard one we're doing.
Muffins, okay. So in our bowl here right now we have 2 cups of flour, right in there, and then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of baking powder.
Baking powder.
And then a 1/3 teaspoon of salt. And then after that, you whisk. But first,
let's cue the whisking song.
All right.
Cue the whisking song.
All right, everybody, we're back. We just got done doing the whisk. We got all the stuff whisked up really good. You want to make sure you whisk it all together. And then we want to switch the bowls over. Where we want to add in one cup of sugar.
What?
1 cup of sugar. And then we want to add in the butter. Is supposed to be melted because you can use a electric machine or use this one. But here, I'll move it over here. Just stay over here. But we melted it a little bit so it'll be nice and soft. So you add in the butter.
It's a volcano.
You add the butter in, and then you mix the butter first.
It's a volcano.
Mix the butter and sugar first.
Can I?
Get that here. You can mix it when I get it in here. Don't use the whisk. Use this.
Okay.
Let me get it all in there first. Okay. Now you mix up the butter and the sugar.
It wasn't covered.
Keep mixing. It wasn't. Good. Mix the butter and the sugar in.
Why does it actually smell like lemonade?
I don't know. Mix the butter and sugar in.
It smells like.
Then once you get that in there, you add in a teaspoon and a half of vanilla. Keep stirring. And then you want to add in a 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract.
It's supposed to be like applesauce, milky applesauce.
It looks kind of grainy looking. Looks like applesauce.
It's supposed to be like melted applesauce.
Okay, and plus you need 2.5 cups of chopped strawberry. I'm not these in right now, but we forgot to say that in the first part of the video. But then you add in the flour a little bit at a time. So Kyle's going to mix, so I add in the flour a little bit at a time. Hold on to the bowl when you mix it. Then you want to add in 2 eggs, but you want to add the eggs in between when you put the flour in. So you add an egg, and then you go ahead and mix that up. Well, keep mixing. Go ahead and mix.
Slice.
You stir. Okay, then when you get the
egg, this smells even better.
Add some more flour in there. Some more flour. Keep mixing. And then you want to add the second egg.
What's the matter, Steve?
Try not to lose our ingredients. Okay.
This looks good.
Okay, you add the second egg in there. Second egg. Stir that in there. You want to mix it up real good. Make sure you get it off the sides. You want to scrape the sides. Make sure you get all the flour nice and mixed in there. And then we can add in the last of the flour. Let me get some music for a second so I can get the rest of this out of here.
Okay.
Get all the flour in. There we go. Carla's going to keep mixing it up.
So when
you get done adding all of the flour in, you want to add in a 1/2 cup of milk. So you add the milk in, or you keep stirring. And then you want to take a little bit of the flour and put it in with it, about 2 tablespoons until you keep stirring, keep mixing.
It should look like dough when they're all set.
It should look like heavy when you put them into the mix. So you want to mix the flour into about 2 tablespoons of flour into the strawberries, and then to kind of
it should look like finished
a little bit
dough.
Lighter.
It should look kind of like finished dough right here.
You want to keep mixing it in there, mix it up, get these strawberries so they, a little mixed into the flour. And while Kylo's still mixing, we're
That
gonna get the
looks
strawberries into
It should look
the
like
mix.
finished perfect dough. Let's get that off your finger.
My hands, yeah, it's a little sticky. Get that in there. Okay, hold on.
I'm gonna get it off your finger.
Okay, get it. Okay, now you need to stir. Okay, now we're gonna finish stirring. Finish stirring up the dough and the strawberries. And when we come back, we'll show you what we're gonna do. We put it inside of the muffin tin into the muffin cups. And we'll be back here in a second, everybody.
Bye.
Everybody, we're back. Now we have our muffin tin and we have our muffin cups. So we want to put the cups, we want to put them into the tin. Put the cups in the tin. Carlos going to put the cups in the tin.
Why
Normally, what you want to use a ice cream scooper, but right now we don't have the one available. You can move a little bit.
You can.
Okay, you like you're really slow. Put some in there.
Just follow after me.
Okay.
I feel.
All right. And once you do that, you want to take and scoop. You want to fill it up.
Are these actually pink? They don't look actually pink. They look white.
They are white. You want to scoop in about 3/4 of the way full.
Shoot, that one was floating out.
Okay, so we want to get that in. Okay, get that back in there. And scoop it about 3/4 of the way full. I'm gonna try to scoop it the best I can with the ladle.
Okay.
We're gonna try to not to make a mess.
Because last time we spilled a lot.
Yeah, we did spill some. Okay.
And first one wasn't bad, but second one it had a lot.
There we go. That one's pretty good, right?
Yay! We did.
But when you get done with
we got so close. We got so close.
Then you want to take a little bit of sugar. Sprinkle some on top. You don't want to get too much on the edges. I'll let you do before we put it in the oven. And then you want to take a couple of strawberries that we saved out of ones the 2.5 we chopped up, and then kind of put a few on there like this. Line them up a little bit. And then when you're done
I'm in charge of these two, okay?
When you're done with that,
I'm in charge of the
strawberries. You do every one of them the
same
way. And when you get done, when we get done with this, the Carla's going to try and fill the rest of them up. And then we're going to put it in the oven. And when we come back, we'll show you what the end results look like.
Scrape this.
Okay, that should be enough right there. Okay. Now, I'll get it in.
Scrape it for me.
Okay.
Oh, let's do
it. Bring it over. There you go. Good job. Make sure you scrape it in there.
Wait, this one's a perfect one.
Yeah, that's a good one. Okay. We're going to do the last one. Okay. Let's scoop.
I've been waiting for this.
Let me get all of it. Okay. Oh, shoot.
Sorry.
Okay. Let's scoop it in. Hold it up. So we're not touching the cup.
Oh my God. This might be a perfect one too.
Okay.
It's a perfect one.
Good job.
Okay, now I'm gonna
the sugar. Yeah, get the sugar. You want to sprinkle it, not too crazy. Like you want to do like Salt Bae, do the sprinkling. There you go, like this. I'm trying to get it all around. The sprinkles. That's enough. You don't want too much sugar. Just a little. A little on each one. Just a little bit on each one. Like that. Yes, that's good. Okay, that's good.
Okay, now I'm gonna put the strawberries.
Okay, place some strawberries on top.
I'm trying my hardest not to eat them.
Okay, you gonna when they get done using them, you can eat them.
Okay. Nice.
Okay.
2-player.
Do the other ones too. Okay, everybody, we're back. The muffins are done.
They look delicious.
You want to put them in the oven on 375 for about 30 minutes, and then they'll be done. So Carla's going to do his famous taste test. He's going to peel it off.
And it's going to be delicious.
He's going to taste. Okay, so what you think? So is it good? All right, so he gives the thumbs up, everybody. We appreciate everybody watching. The description for the recipe will be in the link below. And we just want to say God bless everyone. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.